Hi, my name is Ashish and I welcome you all to another video for Azure Infrastructure as a Services exam code 70-533. If you know or if you have noticed, I have started another playlist for Azure DevOps. It's not particularly related to Azure, it's a DevOps with a mixture of cloud computing into it. As of now, I have only given the introduction video for what is DevOps and the terminologies. I'll post another video for DevOps regarding the what is CI/CD, what is the version controlling, what is Git. So I will post that video after this video, maybe tomorrow. And in the next sessions on this DevOps course, I will list about the Git versioning control system, which is an open source for version control. And after that, I will cover the Visual Studio, Team Studio, how it plays an important role in DevOps. And after that, we will look for the CI/CD in related to build and release. Maybe after that, we can cover up Jenkins or the infrastructure as code or the orchestration tool like Chef, Puppet, Ansible. And we'll also discuss about the Azure Container Services, AKS. K stands for Kubernetes. So one more news before we proceed with this. I have launched the website www.discusscloudcomputing.com. I have listed 3 courses on which you can enroll and contact me for trainings. I'll attach the playlist that I'm posting on YouTube onto that website so that it will be easier for you to watch the videos directly from the website. And I'll also list maybe by next month mid, I'll also list the Azure automation course on that. If you guys are interested, contact me and I'll be happy to give one-on-one training. Okay, so this video will be regarding Azure Virtual Networks. I'll quickly log on to portal and rock it from there. Okay, I'm at the portal. This is my screen that I left yesterday. This is not my dashboard. This is the dashboard. You can create your new dashboard, upload an existing one, and you can do many things regarding the dashboard as well. So we are here to create my virtual network. You can select under the all services here and type in networks, machine learning, network gateways, virtual networks, classic, or network security groups, or virtual networks from here. Or you can click on here, and from there you can go to the networking section. Okay, virtual network. You'll get the same window. Okay, it's AZURE I'm sorry, AZURE address space. The virtual network's address range in CI/CD notation. I'll leave it blank for now. I hope this will give me. Create a new Central India, keep it default, range, DDoS protection is basic, service endpoints, I'll enable one or more service endpoints for this. Okay, I'm not mentioning any endpoints here as of now. That I'll let you know what is a network security group and how can you secure your network. Let's see if it's okay. It's giving me the address range. Let me just type it in. Mention the address space as 10.0.0.0.16. I'll get 65,536 addresses. I have typed in class A. You can type in class C, class B as well. Or your address range, I've given it this. Let's go on create. It says deployment in progress. As soon as it will be done, I'll get a notification that deployment is succeeded and I will have my virtual network up and ready. Okay, it says go to resource. After my deployment is succeeded, I have clicked on it and had this notification and I have this virtual network up and ready. It says my address range that I specified was this, and if you go on to the overview section, it says I do not have any tags. My subscription ID, address space is this, and my DNS server is Azure provided DNS service. And there are many things that we can cover in the next sessions, and I hope this was informative to all of you. It's regarding the Azure Virtual Networks. I'll be back with another video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share it on all the social media platforms. Till next time, have a great day.